Hello everyone, the long-awaited WeCreat auto path-through conveyor feeder is finally here. Our path-through feeder is compatible with all WeCreat models and even many other open-frame laser machines on the market. This video will use the WeCreat Vision 20-watt model as an example. While you're unboxing, please be careful not to cut your fingers. Open the carton carefully and keep the original packaging. The warranty will be void if the machine is transported in anything other than the original packaging. Please read the user guide carefully before assembly. Take out the packing materials. Take out the left frame and the right frame, including the roller and blade strip. Carefully check if all parts are included. Take out the front, rear, left and right frames and place them aside. With the logo facing up, arrange them according to their positions. Flip the front and rear frames, ensuring the plush side is up and the groove side is facing inward. Lift the right side of the rear frame, paying attention to the two screw holes on the cut surface. Find the two screw holes inside the adjacent right frame. Move the rear frame. Align the screw holes. Use a screwdriver and M4 screws. Ensure the holes are aligned and tighten the screws to secure the frames firmly. Similarly, secure the front end with screws. Move the left frame, align the screw holes and secure with screws. Flip the fixed frame over. Place the path-through feeder close to the front frame. Unwrap the motor wire. Lift the front frame and insert the motor wire through the hole in the side frame. Keep inserting until the motor wire could go through the hole inside the side frame. Find the groove on the outside of the front frame. Insert the metal block into the groove. Ensure the other metal block is aligned with the sliding position. Move the path-through feeder to align the screw holes on the metal block with those on the front frame. Secure with the M4 screws. Take out the conveyor roller and clip it into the groove on the top of the rear frame. Take out the crown tray of your Vision. Place the tray in the middle area and ensure the tray handle faces backward. Alternatively, you can use aluminum plates through the grooves inside the left and right frames to cover the bottom of the central area to prevent the laser from directly damaging the table. Insert the blade strip, ensuring it fits into the corresponding grooves in the front and rear frames with the sharp side facing up. Be sure to remove the motor wire to avoid it being crushed underneath. Find the groove on the outside of the rear frame. Insert one side of the conveyor rail into the groove, ensuring the rollers are facing up. Slide the left rails using the same way. Next, we will place Vision on the conveyor feeder. Make sure the power is off. Unplug all cables and tubes from the back of the machine. Remove the tray and sled panels. Lay the machine gently on one side on the desk. Pay attention to the scattered wires at the bottom. Organize the wires and use a cable clamp to secure them inside. Ensure no cables are exposed, otherwise it would affect the movement of materials back and forth during operation. Ensure the start button aligns with the front of the path-through feeder. Paying attention to the four bases at the bottom. Fits them into the grooves on the left and right frames. Move the machine forward, making sure the front of the machine is lined up with the front frame. Open the cover. Insert the motor wire into the socket on the motherboard. Also, use a cable clamp to secure the wire on the frame to prevent the laser head from damaging the wire during operation. Reconnect all cables and tubes. Organize the wires and use cable ties to bundle them. Secure with the cable clamp to the side of the machine. Lead the exhaust hose from one side to the outside or connect it to an air purifier. You can clearly see the space for material movement between the machine and the base. If the wood board is longer, add a set of conveyor rail and secure with M3 screws provided. Place the wood board, turn the upper knob to raise the upper pressure wheel board and insert one side into the pass-through feeder. Turn the upper knob to lower the pressure wheel to make sure the wood is pressed down. Refer to the recommended pressure levels for materials in the manual to adjust the pressure. Turn the lower knob to feed the wood board into the machine's working area. Please ensure that the part of the material inserted into the bottom of the machine is at least 10 centimeters. Close the cover. Turn on the power. Now you may enjoy your journey of creating with the pass-through feeder.